the fault is not that we are not good enough. The fault is not understanding that we are not good enough yet. Hi, I am Dishika and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want to talk about the gap between taste and skill. Tell me if you relate to this or not. When you're starting something new, when you're learning something new, be it creative, be it not creative, you are not a huge fan of your work at the beginning stage. You are not liking what you're doing and you find it disappointing that what you have created. This is because you have incredible taste. You have the taste that you have right now in that particular thing, in that particular field is so amazing. Your skill is not matching your taste. Most people don't know about that, and they give up because they think they are not worthy of that art, or they are not creating as great as they have it in their mind. Ira Glass goes deeper into this topic and says that our incredible taste is ruining our creative work, and that is the reason why we are not continuing our work, why we are disappointed in our work. For an example, we see a great outfit worn by either an influencer or a creator or on Pinterest, and we try to make our outfits great by that inspiration, that taste that we have built, and it doesn't turn out to be as great as it was because, yeah, we have the taste. But do we have the skill to layer fabrics or the knowledge of understanding our body types, or do we have the knowledge of our skin tone? No, we do not. But what we do, we eventually convince ourselves that the items or the outfits that we have created is not great enough, or nothing looks good on us, or something like that. We nowadays are consuming so many references, so many sources of enhancing our taste, which and these references are easily available over the internet and the social media platforms, but we are not focusing on enhancing our skill to match the level of our great taste. And the fault is not that we are not good enough, the fault is not understanding that we are not good enough yet. Understand the process of reducing the gap between taste and skill. The environment is pushing us towards developing more and more better taste and feeding more and more sources to us where our taste gets better, whereas we are not focusing on making our skills better. I want to add one more thing from Ira Glass's words. He shares the solution to this reducing this gap. He says the only solution is repetition. The only solution is quantity. Create huge amount of work that you're doing, create huge amount of art that you're creating, and set yourself a target like I have to create one thing this week. Compulsory, make it compulsory. Increase the quantity of what you're creating. That is the only solution. Repetition is the only solution. It eventually numbs down to the fact, to a saying that practice makes a man perfect. But it's not that you are not creating great things, it's that you are not creating great things yet.